And the Yetzer Hara comes and wants to put this insert into you. Or maybe I'm not doing the right thing. Maybe it is the right thing. I don't know. So that's why you have to go through the stages that everything is done the right way. Exactly. But the Yetzer Hara is always going to come to push you off your derech. You have a route, you have a goal. The way I see it is you have a GPS, you punch in your destination, that's it. The GPS tells you this is the destination, you're going to get there in such and such time, this is the route. And on the route, you're going to have all these obstacles. Now, if you're very persistent, you're not getting off your route. But sometimes you fall to the temptation of what's on the route, so the GPS will tell you, recalculating, puts you back on the route. So the point is that the Yetzer Hara is constantly going to push you off the route because he doesn't want you to be successful and to reach your goal. Avraham Avinu had the test of going and sacrificing his son. The Yetzer Hara, the Satan came 10 times to move him away. But Avraham Avinu was locked. He was like, that's what the Kadosh Baruch Hu said, that's what I'm doing. No questions. He didn't have a question that a minute before that the Kadosh Baruch Hu says, Mitzchak yikareh lecha zara. Your offsprings are going to come from Yitzchak. A second later, he's telling him, now go kill him. He didn't ask a question. Any human being would say, well, stop for a second. A second ago you told me that my entire offsprings are going to come from this kid. Now you're telling me to kill him? That would be a normal human being's question. Avraham Avinu didn't ask questions. He woke up in the morning, put Yitzchak on the donkey and started going. So the point is that the Yetzer Hara is always going to come and manipulate the reality. You have to be locked onto the goal like Avraham Avinu.